Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Guidance. Today I have come up with 10 a.m. slot Accenture Pseudocode question so the students with other slot can get the idea of the questions. We'll bring the video for other slots also, so subscribe my channel and like the video. And for placement material, join my Telegram channel given in description below. So these are the 10 a.m. slots pseudocodes. First question is, for which of the following values of P, Q, R, the output of the following pseudocode will be inside if? So we have to identify the value of P, Q and R so that the loop, so that the condition should be inside if. Okay, so that means we have to satisfy this condition if P is greater than Q. So we have to check one by one the value of P, Q and R so that P is greater than Q. So see how we can do this. First we will take the example of this. Suppose first take the value of P as 24, Q as 24 and R as 15. So what it is saying, first P is equals to P plus Q plus R. So P plus Q, that means we are taking 24 plus 24, that will be 48, and 48 minus 15, that will be 33, and from 33 it is subtracting 9. So the value of P will become now 24. Now we will come here Q. Q is equals to, now the value of P is 24. So 24 plus the value of Q is 24 only. So 24 plus 24 is equals to 48, and 48 divided by 2, it will be 24. So see, the value of P is also 24 and Q is also 24. So whether this condition satisfies that 24 is greater than 24? No. So we are not coming inside this condition, that inside if. So this option cannot be our answer. Now we will see the second one. P is equals to 12, Q is equals to 7 and R is equals to minus 1. So now we will check here that 12 plus 7, that will be 19. 19 minus 1 will be 18, and 18 minus 9 will be 9. Okay, so the value of P is now 9. Now we will calculate the value of Q. Q is equals to P, so the value of P has become 9 and the value of Q is 7 only. So 9 plus 7 will be 16, and 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So the value of Q is 8. Does this condition satisfy now that 9 is greater than 8? Yes. And we are coming inside this condition, inside if, that what we want, that what they have said, that you have to find the value of P, Q, R so that it should be inside if. So we are inside if by the value of the value of P as 12, Q as 7 and R is minus 1. So we know that our option is C, but we will check the other option also. So now the value of P is 12, Q is 24 and R is minus 5. So the value of P will be 12 plus 24, that will be 12 plus 24 will be 36. See, the value of this 12 plus 24 will be 36, and 36 minus 5 will be 31. Okay, and 31 minus 9, so the value of Q will become 22 here. 31 minus 9, and the value of Q will be now, the value of P has been 22, so 22 plus 24, 22 plus 22, 46. So 46 divided by 2 will be 23. So is now the value of P is 22 and the value of Q is 23. So 22 is greater than 23? No. So our our answer will be option C only. Now we will come to the other question. This is the next pseudocode, the integer A, B, C, and we have given this integer, and they have set the value of A1 as 2, B1 as 45 and C1 as 36, and A2 as 11, B2 as 26, C2 as 30. So we will make the we will do the memory allocation here, like A1 is 2, B1 is 45, C1 is 36. Why I write this? Because it helps me in solving the question faster. That's why I write it like this. First I do the memory allocation of all the variables and then I solve it. So The same way you can do for this also. Now see what it is doing. C is equals to C1 plus C2. So the value of C1 is 36 and the value of C2 is 30. So what will be the value of C? That is 36 plus 30 will be 66. Now what it is doing, B is equals to C divided by 60. That means what it is doing, 66 divided by 60. So 66 divided by 60, so what will be its divisor? That will be 1. So the value of B will be now 1, because 60 divided by 66, so 60 ones are 60. So 66 divided by 60 will be 1. Okay, and now next what it is doing, C is equals to C mod 60. That means 66 mod 60. So that means we have to mod means we have to tell the remainder. So now see, if we are dividing 60 by 66, so the if we are doing 61 the 60, so the remainder will be 6. So now the value of C has been updated from 66 to C. So the value of C is now 6. Now what it is doing, B is equals to B plus B1 plus B2. So see, B is equals to B1 plus B2. So the value of B1 is 45 and the value of B2 is 26. So if we add both of them, what we will get, 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 7 71. And what it is adding also, it is adding B, it is adding B also. So 71 plus 1, now the value of B will be 72. Now what it is doing, it is changing, it is updating the value of A. So the value of A will be B divided by 60. Now the value of B is 72 and the 72 divided by 60 is also 1, because 60 into 2 is 120, it will be greater. So 72 divided by 60 will be 1. And what it is doing now, B is equals to B mod 60. Now it is again updating the value of B. That means 72 mod 60. So what will be the remainder now? If we divide 72 by 60, it will be 12. So the value of B is 12 now. Now it is updating the value of A. A is equals to A plus A1 plus A2. So if we add 2 plus 11, it will be 13, and 13 plus 1, it will be 14. So at last what we have to do, we have to print A, B and C. So the value of A we have got is 14, value of B we have got is 12, and the value of C we have got is 6. So our option will for this will be 12, 14, 12 and 6. That is our option C. So we'll mark the option C. Now we will see the third pseudocode. Integer we have given L, K, M and one array A of 5. They have set the value of L is equals to 5, and it is saying that for each K from 0 to 4. I have previously also explained that the value of K will be from 0 till K is less than equals to 4, and it is updating the value of K by 1. This is like a for loop only. So for each K from 0 to 4, so the value of K at the starting is 0. 0 is less than 4, yes, so we will come inside this for loop. So we will check this condition if L. So what is the value of L? The value of L is 5. So is 5 less than A of K? A of K means A of 0. So A of 0, these are the, this is how we give the indexes from to the array, like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So A of 0 is 3. So is 5 less than 3? No. So we will not go inside this if condition. Now what it is doing, it is updating the value of M. M will be L plus A of K. So now we will take the one variable M. What it is doing, it is doing the summation of L and A of K. A of K, the value of K is 0 now, and A of 0 is 3. So what it is doing, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 will be 8 at this time. Now the value of K will be incremented by 1. Is 1 less than equals to 4? Yes. So we will come inside this for loop. Now we will check this if condition. Now the value of k is 1. So a of k is 4. So what we will check, if 5 is less than 4? No. So again we will not go inside the if condition. Now we will change the value of m. Now a of k is a of 1 is 4 now. So 5 plus 4, 9. So now the value of m is 9. Again, we will update the value of k by 1. It will be 2. Is 2 less than equals to 4? Yes. So again, we will come inside this for loop. We will check the if condition. If 5 is less than a of k, means the value of k is 2. So the a of 2 is 6 now. Is 5 less than 6? Yes. The value of, sorry, this if condition satisfied. So now we will change the value of L by a of k. So a of k means we will change the value of L by 6. So we will replace this 5 by 6. The value of L has been changed now. Now we will come outside this if condition. Now what we will do, we will change the value of M. Now it is saying that L plus A of K. So the value of K is 2. So A of 2 is 6. And now the our new value of L is 6. So 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So now the value of M is 12. Now again we will increment the value of k by 1. Now 3 is less than equals to 4. Yes. Now we will check this condition if L. So the value of L is 6. Is 6 a of the value of k is 3. So a of 3, that is 16. So is 6 is less than equals to is less than 16? Yes. So we will change the value of L by a of k. So a of k is 16. So we will change the value of 6 by 16. Now we come out of this if condition. Now we will change the value of m. M is equals to L plus A of k. A of k is 16 and the value of L is also 16. So 16 plus 16, it will be 32. Now we will again increment the value of k by 1. It will be 4. Is 4 less than equals to 4? Yes. So we will come inside this for loop. What we will check, if L, the value of L is 16 and the value of k is 4. So a of 4 is 7. Is 16 less than equals less than 7? No, false. So we will not go inside this if condition. Now we will change the value of m. M is equals to L plus A of k. The value of L is 16 and A of k is 7. So 16 plus 7, it will be 23. So the value of M is 23 now. So we have 23 in our option as option D. So we will mark our option D as our answer. Now we will see the another question. We have given integer x, y, l and z, and they have set the value of x as 1, y as 0, and they have set the value. Now what they have done, they have they are assigning the value of z and y. Now see, earlier the value of y is 0. Now they have changed the value of y as 1. And now what it is doing, L is equals to x and y. In the question it will be mentioned that what this AND is doing. This AND is a logical operator, that if both the variables are 1, then it will be true. If one of the variable is 0, it will return 0. So the value of x is 1 and here the value of y has been updated by 1. So the value of y is also 1. So both the variables are 1. So what will it return? It will return 1. So the value of L will be 1. So our option will be C. Hope you understood the questions. Like the video and subscribe the video.